English Phrases Unpacked. Understanding Decor Setup. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English phrases, focusing on decor setup. This phrase is commonly used but often misunderstood, especially among English language learners. So, let's break it down together and understand its meaning and usage. Stay tuned to become more confident in using this phrase in your everyday English. Decor setup is a phrase comprising two words: decor, a shortened form of decoration, and setup, which means arranging or assembling something. When combined, decor setup refers to the arrangement or preparation of decorations in a particular space. This could be for an event, a home, a workplace, or any other area where the aesthetic appeal is important. It's all about creating a specific look or atmosphere through decorative elements. To understand better, let's see decor setup in action. 1. The wedding planner did an excellent job with the decor setup for the reception. 2. Here, it means arranging the decorations for a wedding reception. 3. We need to start the decor setup for the Christmas party by next week. 4. This implies preparing and arranging decorations for a Christmas celebration. 5. I love the decor setup in this cafe. It's so cozy and inviting. 6. In this sentence, it refers to the arrangement and style of the decorations in the cafe. Noticing how decor setup is used in these sentences helps in understanding its practical application. When using decor setup, avoid these common mistakes. 1. Do not confuse it with general cleaning or organizing. Decor setup specifically involves decorative elements, not general tidying up. 2. Remember, it's a noun phrase. It's not a verb. You wouldn't say, I will decor set up the room, but rather, I will do the decor setup for the room. And that's all about decor setup. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion and you now feel more comfortable using this phrase. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English fluency and helps you express yourself more accurately. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video, and keep practicing.